Hey buddy, you want to learn how to get some sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick all for free? Check this out. Head over to your search icon and type in Downloader. Downloader is an application which gives you access to applications which may not be available on your Amazon Fire TV stick. So this big old orange icon, if you don't already have it, get it, download it, and install it. Once it's installed, hit the home button on your remote and head on down to the settings icon on the far right corner there. And then come down to My Fire TV. And now I have developer options listed here. You might not, and if you don't, that's okay. Highlight About, click on it, and then under have Fire TV stick there highlighted. Use your remote. Click on the select button multiple times, and now it says no need. I'm already a developer, and now you are too. You're welcome. Now back out once, find developer options, highlight it, and click on it. And now come down to install unknown apps. And Downloader is now listed, so turn it on. This allows Downloader to install other applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. Let's go back to the home screen. I'm back here at the home screen. Let's find Downloader. So go to the 3 squares plus sign. This is the apps and games area. Highlight Downloader. Use the 3-line button on your remote to move it to the front. Now Downloader will be our new access to great applications for your Fire Stick. Open up Downloader. Click on Allow to allow access to photos, media, and files on your device. Then you can say OK. And then here I have a shortcut to type in. So click up there. We're going to type in 370178. This is a shortcut to our Led by the Unknown webpage, where you can find all these great applications. Now guys, while we're waiting, please share this with a friend, because I know everybody wants a little shot at this. So while we're here, use the 3-line button on our remote, add this page to our favorites, and now every time we come here, we can just go to the favorites on the left side there, and we don't have to wait for the 5-second redirect. Alright guys, let's come on down. Please remember, get out your phone, scan this QR code, get yourself 86% off and up to 5 free months. Enjoy it. Guys, now that you're on your device, let this video take over for you. Enjoy. You don't need me anymore on here. You already got this up. You got everything running that you need to have running. And away you go. Peace.